Hello everyone, this video is for anyone who has a passion for reading and is interested in starting an online business through affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build this exact book blog. If you want to see a working demo of this book blog, I've added a link in the description below. Alright, now that you've seen a quick showcase of the book blog I designed, let's first start with understanding how affiliate marketing works and the business model of a book blog. Here is a diagram that I made of what a business model would look like for a book blog. Affiliate marketing can be broken down into three main components, and the business model operates in this order. First comes traffic, content, and then commission. Social media is the most cost-efficient method to gain traffic through the use of YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. When people see your videos or posts on social media that introduce snippets of your content, they are more likely to click the link to your website or a specific blog post such as your book review. This is where you can really build a connection to your viewers, but it definitely depends on the quality of your work and the integrity you bring to your audience. The more your audience trusts you, the more likely they will purchase products you promote. By doing so, the affiliated company or program that makes the promoted products or service pays you a percentage of their earnings. This is called a commission. On the next tab, I've added a simple example of what this business model would look like. So let's say Bob has a keen interest in reading science fiction books. He stumbles on your Instagram reel on your opinion of a newly anticipated sci-fi book. He is interested in your thoughts and decides to visit your website. Here, he is able to read the entirety of your content as well as get a good idea of who you are and the content you make by looking at the other pages of your website. Your content provides value to Bob by sharing your ideas, and in return Bob begins to trust in your content. You are building a reputation with your audience, which is the foundation in making your business successful. Bob really likes your honest opinions and wishes to experience reading the book himself. He buys the book by clicking on an affiliate link in your book review. The book costs $15 and the affiliate program has a 10% commission. The affiliate company or program receives Bob's payment and sends the book to him. You are then paid $1.50, which is 10% of the purchase. As you can see, earning money through affiliate marketing is indeed a difficult process. But the ability to reach out to millions of people through the internet and gathering them to your website is where the true potential is found. One purchase is nothing, but that can easily multiply when you bring hundreds of people a day to your website. This is the basic concept of how people earn money through affiliate marketing. You partner with a company and promote their products, and in return they pay you a commission for every customer you bring to them. So if you love reading and you want to be an entrepreneur, then you've come to the right place. So first, let's talk about what you need before getting started. There are two requirements for this tutorial. You will need a host provider and the Elementor Pro Plugin. I personally use Elementor Hosting that provides both hosting and Elementor Pro, the page builder plugin. If you already have WordPress hosting, then you will only need to purchase Elementor Pro as the page builder plugin. I've added a link below where you can learn and purchase their services. Just as a full disclosure, FTL Web Dev is an affiliate with Elementor. Purchasing through us supports our cause in providing free educational tutorials at no cost to you, and to that we are grateful. But for now, I recommend to continue watching just to see if this is something you really want to invest in, so let's get started. If you already have a hosted website, then you will only need to purchase and install Elementor Pro. If you have purchased WordPress hosting through Elementor, then Elementor Pro is already included and installed. You may skip to the next section. First, let's install Elementor. To do this, go to the admin dashboard, hover over Plugins, select Add New, and search for Elementor. Select Install Now for Elementor Website Builder, and then activate. Next, log into your Elementor account, click Subscriptions, and select Download Zip to download the Elementor Pro plugin. Save this zip file in an accessible place such as your desktop or Downloads folder. Go back to the admin dashboard and at the top, select Add New. At the top, select Upload Plugin, find the zip file, Install Now, and activate plugin. To activate Elementor Pro, click on Connect and Activate, and log into your Elementor account if you haven't already. Select Activate My License, and just like that, you are ready to use Elementor Pro. If you already have an Elementor template kit installed into your website, then you must first remove it before implementing my custom templates. To do this, go to your admin dashboard, hover over Elementor, click Tools, the Import/Export Kit tab, scroll down, and then click on Remove Kit. If you don't see this, then you currently do not have a template kit installed, and no changes are needed. Next, I recommend resetting your password. Some hosting providers generate a random password for your admin account when you first install WordPress, and you definitely don't want to get locked out of your own website. To do this, go to your admin dashboard, select Users, click on your admin account, and then scroll down and select Set New Password. WordPress will then send you an email where you can set your new password. And of course, remember to store your credentials in a safe, secure place. Last but not least, you will need to enable the top bar editor to make following this tutorial easier. To do this, go to your admin dashboard, hover over Elementor, and click on Settings. Click on the Features tab and scroll down until you see Editor Top Bar. Set it to Active, scroll all the way down, and click on Save Changes. Awesome! Now you are ready to build your book blog. Let's first add a logo to your website. On the admin dashboard, hover over Media, select Add New, and drag and drop your image. After the image is done uploading, hover over Appearance, and select Customize. Select Site Identity, click on Select Logo, and select the uploaded image. Click Select and you are given the option to crop the image. For now, we will skip this process. Click on Select Site icon below, and repeat the same process. Click Publish at the top and go back to the admin dashboard. Next, let's download my custom templates from ftlwebdev.com/book-blog. The link is in the description below. After downloading the zip file, you must then import the zip file to your website that contains all the templates. To do this, go to the admin dashboard, hover over Templates, and click on Theme Builder. On the top right of the screen, you will see an upwards arrow button. Click on it, find the file, and then drag the zip file into the box. Now let's apply the header. To do this, click on the Header tab on the left side of the screen. Select the header template, and on the bottom click on Edit Conditions. Click on Add Conditions, set to Entire Site, which is set as the default, and then save and close. Next, let's apply the footer. The process is the same. Click on Footer on the left side of the page, Edit Conditions, Add Conditions, set to Entire Site, and save and close. Awesome! Now both the header and footer has been applied to your entire site. We will next apply the 404 page, which shows when a URL doesn't lead to a valid page, and then add the search results page for viewers to search your content. The process is almost the same when we applied the header and footer. To do this, click on Error 404 on the left side of the template builder, Edit Conditions, Add Condition, scroll down and select 404 page, and save and close. Same process for the search results page. Click on Search Results on the left side of the template builder, Edit Conditions, Add Condition, All Archives, and save and close. Now you have a 404 page and a search results page implemented into your website. Let's now build the home page that will show your latest blog posts. Go to the admin dashboard, hover over Pages, and select Add New. Name the title of the page as Home Page, and click on Edit with Elementor. Currently I am hosting in a local server for this tutorial, but if you are hosting with Elementor, then all you have to do is to type the name of the page and then press Save. It will look like this. Once you are in the Page Builder menu, set the default page layout. To do this, click on the Site Settings icon, Layout, and set default page layout to Elementor Full Width. Save changes and exit. If you do not see the layout changing to full width, refresh your page. Next we will implement the home page template. Now on the middle of the page, click on the folder icon, My Templates, find the book blog home page template, click Insert, and Apply. Publish the page by clicking on the pink Publish button on the top right of the screen. Now that the home page template has been applied, we will then set this as the home page, meaning that if people click on your domain, this will be the first page they see. To do this, go to the admin dashboard, hover over Settings, click on Reading, select a static page, and select Home Page as the home page. Go to Search Engine Visibility and make sure that the box for discourage search engines from indexing this site is unchecked. Save changes. This is to ensure that Google will be able to read your content and improve SEO. Now you have successfully built the home page for your book blog. Now we will build the genre page that will show all posts based on their category or, in the case of a book blog, genres. Let's first add categories that will identify what genre our post will be. To do this, go to the admin dashboard, hover over Posts, and select Categories. To create a category, type the name of the category, let's do Mystery, and then click on Add New Category. Do this again for Comedy, Drama, and Fantasy. For the genre page, we will use the same process when we built the home page. So on the admin dashboard, hover over Pages, and click on Add New. We'll type in genre page as the title, and then edit with Elementor. Click on the folder icon. Select My Templates, find the book blog genre page, select Insert, and Apply. You will then need to set a query for the Posts widget, so you can decide what posts to present. You can see that the first header is Mystery. So to set the Posts widget to only show mystery books, edit the Post widget by clicking on the Edit icon on the top right. Then under the Content tab, select Query, make sure Include is highlighted, press the plus button below, and select Term. Then under the term type in Mystery, and select it. We will do this again for Comedy, Drama, and Fantasy. Now you can publish by pressing the pink Publish button on the top right of the page. Great, now you have built the genre page for your viewers to search a book review by genre. To add a genre, you must first go to the admin dashboard. Hover over Posts, and select Categories. Here you can add your desired genres. For this example, let's add science fiction. Go back to the genre page by clicking on Pages, find the genre page, and edit with Elementor. Then on the genre page, scroll down to the last genre, hover over the header until you see the rectangle icon on the top left side, then right-click it, and select Duplicate. We will then change the header to Science Fiction. Then on the Posts widget, select Query on the Content tab, delete the previous term, type, and select Science Fiction. Publish the page after making your changes. You now have a new genre of books to display on the genre page. Next, we will add the About page where you can introduce yourself to your viewers. Once again on the admin dashboard, hover over Pages, and click on Add New. We will use About page as the title and then edit with Elementor. Click on the folder icon, My Templates, find Book Blog About page, insert, and apply. You can make changes now or later, but for now we'll publish the page. Press the pink Publish button on the top right. There you have it. You have now successfully built all 3 pages for your book blog. To add a paragraph section to your About page, right-click the rectangle icon and select Duplicate. You can then change the title and write a new paragraph section as well as change the icon. Publish the About page once you are done making changes. Next, we will work on a menu for your users to navigate through your website. To create your menu, go to the admin dashboard, hover over Appearance, and select Menus. For the menu name, we will use Book Blog Menu. On the left, click the View All tab, and checkmark the Home page, About page, and Genre page, and Add to Menu. On the right, click on the down arrow and remove Page from the navigation label. That way the menu will show Home, Genre, and About. Save menu, and we will add the menu to the header. To do this, hover over Templates and select Theme Builder. Find the header, and select Edit. If you already see the menu in your header, then you are all set to go to the next section of the video. Otherwise, keep watching. Edit the WordPress menu widget on the right side of the header. You may have to hover over it to find it. Then under Layout, select Book Blog Menu as the menu. We will then repeat this for the mobile header. Right now the mobile header is grayed out, and to access it, select the 6-dotted icon to edit the header. Go to the Advanced tab, scroll down and click on Responsive, then set Hide on Desktop and Hide on Tablet Portrait to show. Select the WordPress menu widget and set the menu as Book Blog Menu. Click on the 6-dotted icon once again, go to Advanced, select Responsive, and set Hide on Desktop and Hide on Tablet Portrait as Hide. Publish the page. Great! Now your menu is showing on your header for your users to navigate your website. Before you decide to publish any content, you will most likely wonder if the topic you're thinking about is worth posting and how much attention it can attract. So for this section, I'm going to teach you keyword or key phrase research to learn what topics are worth talking about. To learn the basics of keyword research, we will use Google Trends and Semrush that are both free to use. First, let's go to Google Trends. The link is in the description below. So, let's say we want to write a book review on Happy Place by Emily Henry. Type in Happy Place and select Novel by Emily Henry. Change past day to past 12 months, and you will see the general trend of how often people search Happy Place. This chart gives you a rough idea of how popular a search term is being used. As you can see, Happy Place peaked popularity around April 2023 and maintains itself at almost 50% popularity. The popularity of books will always rise and fall, so don't let these rough statistics stop you from sharing your personal thoughts. Now that we know that this book is getting quite popular, we will then use Semrush to find a more specific keyword or key phrase that will make your content stand out. The link to Semrush is in the description below. Be aware that you are only allowed to use it 10 times per day when you sign up as a free user. On the search bar, type in Happy Place. The 2 most important pieces of information you will need is the keyword difficulty, which is shown as KD%, and the volume of visitors per month. Notice how the keyword difficulty for Happy Place is 62%. This makes this keyword quite competitive and will require more optimized content. But if you search for a specific term such as Happy Place Review, then you will notice that the keyword difficulty is much lower. This means that if your content contains this key phrase, it will have a better chance of placing high in search results, assuming it is SEO friendly. Notice how the volume is low as well. Don't worry too much about that, as the top priority is for Google to prioritize your content. So for the next section, we will write your first book review on Happy Place by Emily Henry, and then teach you how to make your content SEO friendly. After doing some keyword research, we can now start posting your first book review on Happy Place by Emily Henry. Remember that our chosen key phrase based on our research from the previous section is Happy Place Review. To do this, in the admin dashboard, hover over Posts, click on Add New, type the title of your post as Happy Place Review, and then edit with Elementor. It is good SEO practice to use the key phrase as the post title. Let's then add the featured image. In this case we will use the front cover of the book. To do this, click on the gear icon on the top of the screen, select the Settings tab, and press the plus button below Featured Image. On the Upload Files tab, drag and drop your chosen image. Click Select. Now we will implement the book blog post page. Click on the folder icon, My Templates, find the book blog post page, insert, and apply. Let's use AI to generate a 3-paragraph summary of the book. Under Overview, edit the text editor widget. Under the Content tab, click on Text Editor, and then the 3-star icon. This will allow you to write a prompt to Elementor's AI. Click on New Prompt, type, write a 3-paragraph summary of Happy Place by Emily Henry. Generate text. And then use text. We will then use part of the overview as an excerpt. To do this, click on the gear icon at the top, and under General Settings, copy and paste the first paragraph into the excerpt box below. Ideally, if you are still working on a post, you should save it as a draft so that it isn't open to the public yet. To do this, click on the pink down arrow next to Publish and click on Save Draft. But for now, we will publish this post. Last but not least, let's assign this post a category. To exit from the page editor, click on the menu icon on the top left, and select Exit to WordPress. On the admin dashboard, click on Posts, find the post, quick edit, scroll under Categories, uncheck Uncategorized, and then check the relevant genres. For this example, I will check Drama. Then click Update. Nice! You have now learned to post a book review on your site. To get started with search engine optimization aka SEO, I recommend downloading the plugin Yoast SEO. This plugin is free to use and gives you guidance on how to make your content SEO friendly. In the admin dashboard, hover over Plugins, and select Add New. Search for Yoast SEO in the search bar. Click on Install Now. And then activate. You may be prompted to answer some questions after installation, but this is not necessary. I've created a fake book review on Happy Place as an example, and is already included as part of the downloaded templates that you can implement. To do this, go back to the post we just made by selecting Posts, hover over the book review on Happy Place, and then edit with Elementor. We will first have to delete the previous template. Hover over the top of the book review page, and click on the X to delete the entire post page. Just like before, click on the folder icon, My Templates. Find the Happy Place book review template, insert, and apply. Click on the gear icon at the top, and select your featured image. Now remember from section 8, we did some keyword research and determined that Happy Place Review was the best key phrase to use for SEO ranking. So when you select your featured image, change the title to happy-place-review.jpg or whatever type of image file you use, such as PNG. For the alt text, you need a short description of your book review. Let's use this example, Happy Place Review, a story of romance and the tensions that unravel. Emily Henry's latest 2023 novel is guaranteed to pull your heartstrings. Let's go ahead and copy and paste this for the caption and description as well. Click Select to add your SEO-friendly image to your page. It's also very important to include your affiliate link under the image. To do so, click the Featured Image widget under the Content tab, set Link to Custom URL, and then copy and paste your affiliate link. You should also add your affiliate links to your text. To do this, select a paragraph, highlight over the text you wish to link, click the link icon, and copy and paste your affiliate link. The link of your text should turn red. If this does not happen, then the CSS styling hasn't been implemented. To fix this, hover over the top of the book review, click the 6-dotted icon, go to Advanced tab, scroll down to Custom CSS, after the semicolon of the code, press Enter, and then backspace. This is also the place where you can change the color of your links to something else like blue. But for this example, we will stick to red. You may have to add spaces between paragraphs. Let's quickly do that. Publish the page. Click on the Elementor icon on the top right, and then exit to WordPress. Scroll down, and you will see Yoast SEO's ratings on your content. And so for the focus key phrase, based on our research, let's use Happy Place Review. Next, let's update the slug, which is the URL of your book review. Let's modify the slug so that it's happy-place-review, which matches the key phrase. In this case, it has already been done since this is the title of the post. Now let's work on the meta description, which is what will show up on Google's search results. Let's use this example, Happy Place Review. Emily Henry's latest novel will get you emotionally invested in the drama that it ensues. What's really convenient about Yoast SEO is that they will run a simple SEO analysis that will give you advice on how to improve your content. Click on SEO analysis and you will see what points you've done well and what points to improve in. Notice how it suggests that you use your key phrase at least 3 times, and that it should appear on the first paragraph. You do not have to consider every suggestion, but do your best to follow as many as you can without compromising the quality of your content. Remember to update once you are done making changes. Congratulations! By now you have learned how affiliate marketing works, how to build a book blog, and how to make your content SEO friendly. Of course, there is still much to learn, and so I encourage you to subscribe for more educational content.